guys, this is B-Boy Chris. So welcome to my flare tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to do flare. Flare is actually a hard move in B-Boy. It's one of the power moves that a lot of B-Boys used to do it. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to do flare by just 3 steps. We need to have certain warm-ups before we proceed to the flare. What we can do is that warm up your leg like this. You can count to 8 like this, and then count it until 8 like this. And like this. Like this. Like this. So these are the warm-ups before you do flare. I'm going to use my left arm because left hand is my main hand. It's my main hand. So I'm going to use my left hand. If you are strong in right, just use right. I'm going to place my right leg in front and the left leg in the back. It's 45 degrees to each other. I'm going to place my hand just right here with my fingers facing at the left. Okay? So this is the first position, your pose to do flare. This one. The step that you need to do after you have this position is that you need to kick using your left leg. For example, kick. You see? Kick. Again. Kick. Kick. When you kick, you lift your right leg up. Kick. Kick. Kick and up. Kick up. Kick up. When you kick and your right leg is up, so you reach the position like where your legs will be in front, which is like a V. Like this. This is where you need to use your right hand to lift your whole body up like this. Okay? So this is the second step. Lift. Okay? Lift. Means that you use your right hand to lift your whole body to the back. Okay? Up and back. Lift. Once your leg reaches here, this is where the time you need to use your left leg to kick back. Use your left leg to kick back and use your right leg to pull back your whole body from here to back. Like that. From here to back. So first step, second step, and third step. 1, lift, back. One more time. Kick, lift, back. Okay? So you just use your left leg to pull back your whole body and your right leg to pull back your whole body. Your body will be in a circle movement like this. Once you reach here, you just repeat all the steps. Kick back to the front. Use your right hand to lift up your body to the back and use your left leg to pull back your body to this position. So it's a whole complete flare. Those are the 3 steps in flare. I'm going to do a demo for all of you. The tips to do a perfect flare is that you need to straighten your legs. You cannot bend whatsoever. And secondly, use your whole arm strength to lift your body up and push your body front. From flare you can do many transitions to other power moves, like you can go to windmill, go to swipe, go to halo, go to baby freeze, go to air flare order. Practice your flare in the 3 steps I mentioned. So hope you will keep training and enjoy your training. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.